All right, so today is an exciting day at Sports Zone. We got the 2021 Chronicles Draft Picks Football. It's going to feature 4 autographs or memorabilia per box. So Noah's nice enough to let us film him opening it. This is 6 packs, so almost all hits. 8 cards a pack. Really exciting stuff. The new rookies, they are loaded with the main primarily star rookie players, so really good value in these. About $2.40 a box right now. We have boxes and cases both available, so very nice first card, like we were saying. Trey Lance, Dylan Moses, all kind of cool different designs in Chronicles, as you know. Got what, a Spectra coming up there? Oh, Recon. Jamar Chase, it's a good one. Oh, Trevor Lawrence Spectra. Awesome. Oh, there's an optic. That's... Yeah, Devontae Smith. That's good. That's a really good one, too. Jalen Waddle. He was first round of the Dolphins, I believe. Yeah, I mean, just look at the stars in that pack. Like, they're all stars. Like, awesome pack. And that's, I mean, you can't ask for one. These are really nice cards. You want to collect rookies, I mean, here you go. Another Trey Lance. Different version. It's cool, like Prestige and Score and Donruss and Optic. And oh, watch out for Javonte Williams on the Broncos first round. He's going to take over Melvin Gordon's job, it looks like. He's getting some high praise in the fantasy community. Kyle Trask, second round quarterback. Oh, ETN, first round running back, going to the Jags. Very nice. Yeah, Javonte Williams was second round, but they're saying that he's gonna be a starter. I don't know. Wow, Trey Lance. What is this? The first card of every pack is Trey Lance. Awesome. All different versions. There's Williams again. Very good. Hold those cards. They should be going up. What I'm told in all the fantasy shows I listen to. Waddle for the Dolphins. Hey. Alabama uni there. It's at the Flux card, yeah. Oh, select. Justin Fields, awesome. Chicago Bears picked him. First rounder. And there's what, an auto? Yep. Score auto. Number
49
to 49. All right, so there's 3 packs, 2 of the hits, 1 autograph, 1 mem. Probably we'll get 2 more autographs. They've been running 3 autographs, 1 mem. ETN. Another Trey Lance. What in the world? Every version. That's great. Justin Fields. It's another Score autograph? Yes, it is. Numbered as well. Oh, look at that one. There's very nice. Numbered to 49. Oh, Illusions. Another Optic. We got something here as the last card. Blue. Mac Jones Select Blue. That's got to be numbered. Oh,
99.
It is. 99. Oh, that's a nice pull. Wow, that's better than any of the hits. That's a biggie. All right. So pack 6 of... No, there's one more after this. So 2 autograph packs. Here we go. Oh, that's a Travis Etienne. Oh, Justin Fields. Donruss. Was it a spacer?
Yep.
Ooh, the decoy gotcha. Oh, that's a status, Justin Fields. We haven't seen any status yet. XR. Mac Jones, that's good. Trey Lance Spectre, about the 5th Trey Lance. Kyle Trask, Optic. Alright, last pack. This is not, should be an autograph. Could be a mem, I guess. Oh, there's a first card. We've seen as Zach Wilson. The Jets, 2nd pick overall. Another decoy. Alrighty. Jalen Waddle XR, Mac Jones Illusions. Lots of great cards. We have them on our website, sportszonetoyscomics.com. You can check us out on Facebook or give us a call any day but Sunday. Oh, last autograph. That's kind of strange. All the autographs were score. Huh, very weird. So here is the 2021 Chronicles Football Hobby Box. Lots of variety there. Thank you very much for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel. We will keep the breaks coming. Cases, boxes, you name it, as far as we go.